This is Curtis back again with another Bye 9 to 5 course review video. It's been about a year since I've done the last one and a lot has changed in that time span, so I thought I'd get in touch, make a new video, and show you guys some of the updates as well as my most recent thoughts on this program. As usual, we're not going to waste any time. We're going to get right into the review, starting with module number 1, where it says welcome and private Facebook group. Of course, with Jordan Mackey, he's a well-known YouTube advocate and a YouTube star, mainly for his tube monetization and automation program course, where he teaches people how to escape the 9 to 5 by creating YouTube automation channels, aka faceless YouTube channels. So in module 1, you can see a welcome and private Facebook group module, and he obviously has a video where it says welcome to the program. As you can see right away, it says how to join the Facebook group. That is number 1. You're going to want to do that right away, as there is a lot of activity in that group, a lot of questions being asked, and a lot of information overall in that group you don't want to miss out on. So right away, as soon as you get into the program, you're going to go to your Facebook and you're going to join this group. Like I said, here we are in the group right now. There's about 7,000 members in it, and you can see it's still pretty active. Definitely a lot of people posting in here daily, and a lot of people responding to comments or questions, whatever it may be. So definitely a great tool to have if you are serious about your YouTube automation channel. As you can see, there's just tons and tons of people posting, looking for information, giving out free advice, and all that good stuff. Here you can see Rich Porter, who joined December 1st. He made a new channel. He's at about 305 subscribers already and about 40,000 views within his first month. So he's doing great. Shout out to him. Keep it up. The next module in this course is called Choosing Your Perfect Niche. This was a huge help for me. I know when I first started looking into YouTube automation, and it's with anything I try new, I have a very hard time selecting what niche I want to get into, what products I want to promote, basically what my overall niche is going to be. So this really helped me out. As you can see, gives you a breakdown of some of the higher paying CPMs, which is definitely a great thing to know. Obviously, you don't want to get into YouTube automation and make $1 on 1,000 views when you can be making $10 on 1,000 views. So it's a great module. And then he also has a list of 200 profitable niches that you can go through and try and choose a perfect niche from there. Next up, we got the YouTube basics. Again, I wouldn't recommend you skip this course or this module, sorry. Maybe if you're a little bit more experienced and you set up 2 or 3 channels, but at the end of the day, you really only have one kick at the cat to get this right. So I'd recommend you watch this whole thing and create the channel exactly as Jordan explains it. He knows his stuff. And again, you only have one kick at the cat at doing this correctly to give your channel the best chance for success. So you want to make sure you do it right from the get-go. So the next module is called Passing Monetization Review. I personally breezed through this really quickly, but I actually bought my channels directly from Jordan Mackey's business partners. So I was monetized pretty much right after day 1, and I started making money on day 2. That was just my own route, but it is good to know this stuff. You want to make sure you always meet the requirements before applying for monetization, and obviously this is just good to know since you need to be monetized to make money on YouTube. One more thing I want to address in this module is that he still is updating the course. As you can see, he has a couple updates in here from August or so in the course, so it's always great to see that he's updating information as new information comes along. So I just really wanted to clear that up. It's not a he said it and forget it and has forgotten about us. He comes back and he adds updates to the course when they are available. The next topic is video topic research for unlimited video ideas. I highly recommend everybody watch it 2 or 3 times and take notes even. Again, he really knows his stuff, and this will literally give you unlimited ideas, unlimited keywords. It's a great course, or great module within the course to go through to really give you a great chance of having success with YouTube automation and your faceless YouTube channel. Next up, you got creating and editing your videos. As you can see, I did not watch a single video in this module. I'm going to be transparent with you guys. I have outsourced everything on my 2 channels since day 1. I've never looked at editing a video or creating the video myself. I've always had a team behind me, and I use them to this day with a couple changes throughout the years. But I am completely hands-off when it comes to editing and creating the videos. I just get the idea, send it along to my team, and I do the rest from there. So I can't really speak too much on this module in the course. Obviously, if you are going to create and edit your own videos, I definitely recommend watching this, but it was just something that was not for me. Next up, we're coming up to the SEO part of the course. Obviously, you want to have the right SEO for your videos if you really want to have the best chance of going viral. The best news about this is it really only takes one video to go viral before your whole YouTube career changes. So If you really want to give yourself the best chance for success, you want to watch this module as well. SEO is very, very important in getting your YouTube's rank or your YouTube videos ranked, your channel ranked, and getting your videos to go viral. So this is a very, very important module. Next up is additional monetization techniques to boost your income. If you're looking at YouTube automation, you're looking at making a YouTube business or a side business, and that comes with looking at extra ways to make money. So definitely look at this. It's really quick. It's a really small module. Take a look at it. It'll help you boost your income significantly if you can follow it correctly. Next up, he has 3 niche case studies. I didn't watch this. I knew who Jordan was beforehand. I knew he was successful. So I just skipped right over this. I didn't waste my time. But again, if you need that extra bit of help, definitely go and take a look. It might be perfect for you, just to give you that extra bit of motivation. Next up, outsourcing and automation. I briefly looked at this a little bit. Like I say, I have my own team that I've been using for years, with a couple of changes that I've made over the years, but I had my own team from day one. And so this wasn't something that I really needed to focus on very much. But obviously, if you're just getting into it and you're trying to decide whether you want to create or outsource your own videos, whatever it may be, take a look at this module as well as creating and editing your own video module. It'll give you all the information you really need. Now we come to the more in-depth stuff. There's Affiliate Marketing Income Exploder course included in this course. This just shows you how you can do affiliate marketing within YouTube. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, basically you would promote somebody's product within your video or leave a link in the description. If somebody is interested in buying that product, they would go to the link, buy it, and you would receive a commission on the back end. So you would monetize your channel by YouTube AdSense as well as the affiliate marketing link in the description. Every time somebody buys using your link, you would make a commission. If you are looking to go into affiliate marketing, you need to obviously join the right affiliate network, and there's tons of them. There's Amazon Associates, JVZoo, ClickBank, but you don't have to stick to those. You can really look up any niche that you're in and just say affiliate marketing program, and you will find something that's perfect for you. Here we're coming up to strategies for YouTube affiliate marketing. Haven't really looked at this too much because that wasn't where I got into YouTube automation for, but it is something worth visiting if you're looking at really monetizing your channel and making that extra bit of income. Here's a great section in the course, how to increase click-through on your links on YouTube. Obviously, if you're going to do YouTube affiliate marketing, you want to make sure your links are actually getting clicked. So you want to definitely look at this module, make sure you're doing this correctly, putting your links in the right place, using the right link shorteners, etc., to give your overall video and your link the best chance of success. Finally, before the conclusion, all you have to do is look at the affiliate marketing strategies not using YouTube. This will give you some ideas of how to do affiliate marketing off of the platform of YouTube. If you are taking that pretty serious, you definitely want to take a look at this. I personally haven't because it's not my thing, but it is something that might be of interest to you, so I definitely recommend that you check it out. And that's going to wrap up the Bye 9 to 5 course review by Jordan Mackey. If you are looking at getting into YouTube automation, there is a link in the description. I highly recommend you check it out. If you know who Jordan Mackey is and you just weren't sure if you wanted to take the leap of faith, I can tell you this course is 100% worth it. It'll give you a lot of clarity as you're trying to make your way through with the process and becoming successful with YouTube automation. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope to see you guys soon. Enjoy.